me about an hour to drive from Stellenbosch to Cape Town. It's 5:30. I'm early enough. I'm gonna meet the guys, my pals, at 7 o'clock. So plenty of time, easy drive down there, grab a coffee, get everything ready, and off we go. There was a little drizzle last night, a bit of rain, and it's supposed to be slightly overcast today, but no wind. In fact, very good day for cycling. It's Sunday, the 14th of March 2021, and today is supposed to be the Cape Town cycle tour, but they postponed it to a later date in the year. Nothing can stop us. We are riding down to the Cape Peninsula, to a fantastic, beautiful tour today. I'm gonna meet a couple of pals now, cycling friends. Look, they're all out and about. I'll tell you, the thousands today. Gonna meet the guys in front of the Cape Town City Hall. I left Stellenbosch quite early, 5 o'clock. I'm based there now, 5 o'clock in the morning. Good hour's drive into Cape Town. Get all ready, maybe can grab a coffee, and then let's rock and roll. Let's do the tour. It's quite crazy, really. Usually today would be absolutely, Cape Town would be full with cyclists, up to 40,000 from all over the world. But I hope in autumn we can catch up and enjoy the vibe of the Cape Town cycle tour. Whoopla! This is the center of Cape Town, CBD, business district, couple of hotels as well. In 5 minutes I'm there. Mighty Table Mountain in front of us. Here we come to the Cape Town City Hall now. Over there, that's where I'm meeting my cycle mates. And this square is actually the starting point of the Cape Town cycle tour, and then you shoot out there. It's absolutely packed with cyclists. Here are the warriors on wheels. How are you? They do an amazing job. They pull disabled kids around the Cape Town cycle tour. Amazing, it's a charity. Check it out, Warriors on Wheels. Very worthy cause. Elliot, a true Scotsman from Edinburgh. He didn't flee the country, COVID reasons, It's just he lives here.
I've been here 16 years.
16 years. Now we're on the Argus route, original. Let's have a quick chat to Riaan. Riaan, you are almost ex-professional. How's it going? What did you do with the SA National Championships?
Yeah, well, no, not close to a professional, but I did some amateur racing, road and track.
And you won the South African Championship, no?
I was on the track in 2009 with the SA Championships. I won the points race. They call it the points race. So
wow!
You sprint every few laps for points. The guy that accumulates the most points wins. Yeah.
Amazing. But Riaan he's always out and about. Takes every opportunity to go for a bike ride. Very strong rider.
Absolutely.
During the Argos, this is usually the very windy section. It's okay today, a bit windy, but obviously I got some Lester, our main guy, he's sheltering us. Now we just went through Fishhook. Next stop is Simonstown. You're doing well guiding us. Huh? We're happy with him, Elliot.
It's very slow. As usual.
I just spoke to Elliot, the Scottish gentleman from Edinburgh. He used to compete for Scotland Team GB as a 100-meter sprinter. Best time 10:20. Alright, 65 k's done. Just heading now left, then direction Scarborough, and we just decided we're gonna have a little coffee break as we take it easy today, and then all along the beautiful misty cliffs. How are you? Here to the left you go down to the Cape of Good Hope, Kap der Guten Hoffnung. I just don't think the weather on the Cape Argus day is always as pleasant. Sometimes you can have very hot days, 35 up to 40 degrees on a good day. You can have extreme winds. So the 109 kilometers, you think, yeah, that's relatively easy, can be tricky. Do not underestimate this part of the world when it comes down to cycling. Have you been cycling over 110 kilometers, the Argos distance, this month?
This is my 11th one.
11th. Is there a competition going on?
I didn't know there was, but apparently there is. But
yeah.
There's one that's doing it 31 days, every day for 31
consecutive.
days.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's serious riding. But Cape Town Cycle Tour, trust, if you listen to this man deserves a big prize for his efforts and promoting Cape Town and surrounding and cycling.
That's Ingo.
Yeah, I do my best as an Austrian. An Americano with hot milk, please. and a croissant.
Oh no, it's easy though.
What's the last one? Almond. Okay, nice.
Americano, hot milk, almond croissant.
Thank you very much.
I'll take you on.
Oh, we just had a nice coffee, the bunch here in the Hub Cafe in Scarborough. Now we're cruising down the good old misty cliffs. Enjoy. Lester paid for the coffee and for the croissant. He was adamant. Now we are heading towards Nordhook Beach. Hi guys, may I introduce you to a local legend, Dave, all the way from the UK, but he lives here for how many years?
50 odd years.
50 odd years,
Yeah.
but still hasn't lost his Brummy accent. He's a loyal Coventry supporter and crazy, if I may say so, crazy cycler.
Keep up with the youngsters.
Young age of 79 years old. 79 years, and little bird told me you cycle about 400 k's a week.
Yeah.
Which is unbelievable. You're an inspiration, Dave. Folks, now we are heading up Chapman's Peak. Made it. Chapman's Peak. Out Bay down there. Sulkerbossi. Atlantic Ocean on this side. Amazing. Well done, Lester.
Right riding, yeah.
That's right.
A PB.
Now we're lovely downhill from Chapman's Peak into Hout Bay. Now last climb is ahead of us, the famous Sulkerbossi. What an amazing ride with a bunch of legends. Dennis, 36 times Capeargus. Unbelievable guy. Lester discovered his passion for cycling when he was 50, and now he cycles even more, 600-700 kilometers a week. 11 times the capeargus this month's done. No words for it. Then we've got Elliot from Scotland, now resident in Cape Town, ex-Olympic sprinter for Scotland. Well done to you. And then obviously Riaan, South African national track champion. And last but not least, Mr. Dave from the UK, lives here for 50 years, 79 years old, cycles roughly about 400 kilometers a week. And I tell you, I'm a pretty decent cycler, but these guys, they're in shape you would not believe. I tell you, you need to be a good cycler to keep up with them. Unbelievable. Well done, everybody. It was a pleasure to ride this Cape Town cycle tour with you guys. Hope to see you soon. Everybody, take care. That's a wrap from my side. All the best and keep on pedaling. Cheers from, yeah, more or less sunny Cape Town, but pleasant. Take care.